How are you if you find out that the person who loved you the most is no longer in this world? What would you do? Something similar happened with a Roblox user Zen.xy. One day his girlfriend friend messaged him and told him that Xian's girlfriend was no longer with them. And after that, what happened to Xian? Even he never imagined it. Something you cannot even think about. This is not just a love story. This is a true story filled with love, guilt and a twist so shocking that after hearing it, your heart and your trust might break. So let's start for the beginning. It was November 2022. The winter had just begun. It was cold outside and Xian, a 16-year-old boy, was sitting alone in his room playing Roblox. Xian was not special, just a normal kid, a normal life, school, home, Roblox. That was his whole world. But that night in a corner of Brookhaven, an avatar said hi to him. And friends, sometimes a simple hi can change your entire life. That avatar was Sophia, a 7-year-old girl, an avatar with a big eye and purple hair, and a personality Zen had never seen before. They start talking first about the game, then about life, and then about the things we only think about alone at night. In 1 month, they become friends. In 3 months, they become best friends. And within a 6 month, both of them realized this was more than friendship. But there was one thing that Sophia never told Xian, a fear, a doubt that was growing inside her a little more every day. And that same fear one day would destroy everything. This was the time when everything was still okay. Xian and Sophia meet every day in Roblox. Sometimes they build house in Brookhaven, sometimes they wasted time in Bloxwork, sometimes they just sat and talk. In the real world, both of them had their own problems. There was tensions in Xian's house. Sophia did not have many friends at school, but whenever they come were together, everything feel okay. This was a feeling that cannot really be put into words. But then one day come when Sophia saw that Xian was playing with someone else, another girl, a new avatar, pink hair, a funny username, and Xian was laughing. Now you might think that's normal, right? Everyone has friends. Yes, Sophia thought the same thing on the first day. Then on the second day, that same girl was there again. On the third day too. And when Sophia asked Xian, who is she? Xian only said this, oh come on, she's just a game friend. Why are you getting so tension about it? Getting tension about it? Friends, these three simple words, for someone who truly loves another person, these 3 words feel like a small dagger. Sophia did not say anything, but inside something had already broken. She started observing Xian. Every day she noted when he come online, when he went offline, who he was with. And the pattern she noticed did not let her sleep. Xian was spending 2 to 3 hours every day with that girl, whose name was Mia. The same time that used to belong only to Sophia before one night Sophia finally gathered the courage to ask, Xian, tell me honestly, do you like Mia more than me? Xian replied, and when Sophia read that reply, her hand started shaking. He write, Sophia, why are you so insecure? I'm just playing a game. Insecure? That words got stuck in Sophia's mind. She kept thinking about it the entire night. When she really wrong? Was she overthinking? But then another question come into her mind. A question that would change everything. What if I'm not here tomorrow? Would Xian even care? And friends, this was not just a question. This was the beginning of a plan that Sophia thought of at 2 a.m. alone in the dark with only the light of her phone screen. She decided she would fake her death just to find out how important she really was to Xian. But friends, the things Sophia planned that night, even she did not know what the outcome would be, because some things, once they begin, you cannot stop them, and Sophia's story had only just begun. What happened next, I will tell you. But first, wait a second, because the real story of Mia is something you probably never even imagined. Now I want to show you that night, the night when Sophia executed her plan. It was 11:47 at night. Sophia was alone in her room. Her phone was in her hand and inside her chest was a broken heart. She created a new account, a fake name, a fake avatar, no identity, and then she messaged Xian. The message was something like this. Hi, are you Xian? I'm Sophia's school friend. I need to tell you something important. Today Sophia had an accident. She is no longer with us. Sophia sent that message and then she put her phone down. She hold her breath and start waiting. 2 minutes later, Zian replied, just forward. Is this true? Sophia's hand starts shaking. She thought Zian might just say, oh, okay, and leave. Or maybe he would ask, when did it happen? How did it happen? But those 4 words, there was so much pain in them that Sophia's heart stopped for a moment. She replied for the fake account, yes, last night everything happened very suddenly. And then Zian went offline. Immediately, without saying anything, Sophia kept staring at the screen. Last seen just now. After that, nothing. The whole night, nothing. The next morning, Sophia checked Zian's account offline. She checked again in the afternoon offline. She checked again at night offline. For 3 days, Zian did not open Roblox. 3 full days. The boy who used to stay online 2 to 3 hours every day had completely disappeared. The 4 days, Zian finally come online, but he did not talk to anyone, not even Mia, not to anyone. He went to only one place, Brookhaven, the same corner where Sophia and Zian had met for the first time, and he sat there, alone, silent. Sophia was watching all of this for her other account hidden, and then she saw something. Zian wrote a message to Sophia's account, a message that Sophia had never expected. Not at all. He writes, Sophia, I don't know if you can hear this or not. I don't know if this is real or just a bad dream, but I wanted you to know you were the most real thing in my life, in this game and outside this game too. Forgive me for never being able to say it, for never telling you how important you were to me. Now even if I say it, what's that point? Message and friends. I could have stopped the story here, but I have go too further. Because when Sophia read that message, she was crying, but those were not tears of happiness. They were tears of guilt, tears that come for the realization that she had broke something that might never be fixed again. And now comes the moment, the one I told you at the beginning. Watch the whole video for, because what happened next you probably never imagined. Sophia could not hold it in anymore. The guilt had become so heavy that even breathing felt difficult. She decided she had to tell the truth. No matter what happened, she opened her real account. Her hand was shaking. She typed delete, then type again, and finally sent the message. She wrote, Zian, is me, I'm Sophia, I'm alive, and I made a huge mistake. But there was no reply for Zian. 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes. Sophia kept staring at the screen. It said deliver, but it did not say anything. After 10 minutes, read appeared, and then nothing. After 15 minutes, Zian finally replied. Just one line. Are you really Sophia? Sophia replied, yes, I'm so sorry, Zian, I'm really sorry. And what Zian replied next can be interpreted in 2 different ways. For one side, love, for one side, pain. He write, how long have you been online? Sophia told the truth. Since the first day I saw everything, and then Zian went offline again. This time he did not come back for 6 days. 6 whole days. And by then Sophia finally understood. She did not win the test, she has lost. Because sometimes in a test both sides lose. But friends, the story did not end here, because Mia, the girl, because of her all this started. There was a truth about her, a truth that neither Sophia knew, and maybe not even Zian. Mia was actually Zian's real life cousin. She had recently started playing Roblox, and Zian did not tell Sophia because he wanted to surprise her. He was planning that one day all 3 of them would play together as a surprise. But that surprise never come. Today, it has been 2 years. Zian and Sophia never talk again. Not on Roblox, not anywhere else. Zian's account still exists, but he never goes to Brookhaven anymore. That same corner where they first met now has nothing but silence. And Sophia, she still comes online sometimes, and that same place alone. Maybe waiting or maybe just remembering. But now, I want to ask you a question and really think about this question. Was Sophia wrong? For one side, yes, she lied, she broke trust, she made someone cry for 3 days while she herself was alive and watching. But for another side, why was she insecure? Because Zian never clearly told her that she was important, because Zian never said those 3 words, you matter. So whose mistake was it? Both of them, and maybe neither of them. That what humanity is like. When we are scared, we test people. We are hurt, we stay silent, and when everything breaks, both sides wish they had done something differently. If there is someone in your life today, a friend, someone who matters to you, then please do one thing. Today, right after the video, tell them that they are important. One message, one call, one hi. Are you okay? That's enough. Because the thing that was missing in Sophia's and Zian's stories was not something big, it was just an honest conversation, one that never happened. So this was the story of Sophia and Zian. It started with the Roblox game with a simple hi, and it ended with a silence that is heavier than word. And I know many of you watching this probably saw yourself in this story. Maybe you were Sophia once, maybe you were Zian, maybe both. And if that's true, then this video was for you. I want to tell you something honestly. When I first heard this story, I thought it was just a Roblox drama, kids stuff, online game emotions. But then I thought, are feelings different online and offline? No. Pain is pain, whether it's happened in a fancy restaurant or in a virtual corner of Brookhaven. And the person who cries is real, whether their avatar has purple hair or not. That's why I want you not to take this story as just entertainment. Take a part of it with you, the part that said, don't test love, talk a simple, honest conversation. Because the message Zian wrote on Sophia's account, I was never able to say how important you are. That line still makes me think. How many Zians are there in the world who feel things but never say them? How many Sophias are there who think they don't matter? And that gap, that silence between them, it what breaks everything. Now there, one more thing. Sophia of you might be thinking, bro, the Mia twist was huge, but was that really all? So let me tell you, this story has another layer. One that I did not tell today because that layer deserves a separate video, and that video is coming soon. I will all just say this, Mia's story is even more complicated than Sophia and Zian's. And when you hear it, your perspective about both of them might change. And yes, tell me in the comments, do one thing seriously. Write the first letter of the friend's name, the one you should message today. Don't write the full name, just the first letter. I will read them, promise. And if you also have a story like this, whether on Roblox or in a real life where the feelings were real even if place was virtual, then share it on this email. Your story might help someone else. Until then, goodbye, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.